In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to recover missing tasks in ClickUp. Losing track of a task in ClickUp can be frustrating, especially when you're in the middle of a busy workflow. But don't worry, ClickUp provides several tools and methods to help you locate and recover missing tasks quickly and efficiently. Whether the task was accidentally deleted, filtered out of your view, or simply moved to a different location, this step-by-step guide will help you get it back in no time. Let's dive in and get started. First, open ClickUp and navigate to the trash section on the left-hand sidebar. This is where all deleted items are temporarily stored, so it's the best place to start. Once you're in the trash section, browse through the list of deleted items to locate the task that's missing. Take your time and look carefully at the titles and details of each item to confirm that you found the right one. Once you've identified the task you need, select it and click on the Restore button. This will immediately bring the task back to its original location. After restoring the task, switch back to the space or project where the task was originally located. You may need to refresh your view to verify that the task has been successfully recovered. If the task isn't in the trash section, don't worry. There are other ways to track it down. At the top of your ClickUp interface, you'll see the search bar. Use this tool to type in the exact name of the missing task or distinctive keywords from its title or description. This can help you locate the task no matter where it is in your workspace. While using the search bar, it's important to double-check your current view for any active filters. Filters may be hiding the task from view, so make sure to clear them. Additionally, ensure that all statuses are visible and that you're not in an archived view. Sometimes tasks can appear hidden simply due to the current settings in your workspace. Next, confirm that you're in the correct list or space. Tasks can sometimes be moved to different locations within ClickUp, and being in the wrong area might make them harder to find. If you're still unable to locate the task, open the Activity or Recent Changes tab in ClickUp. This is a great way to review the history of your workspace and see recent updates or changes that may provide clues about the task's new location. If you spot an entry related to the missing task, you can click on it to jump directly to where the task is now located. If all else fails and the task is still missing, it's time to reach out for help. Contact your workspace admin to see if they can assist with recovering the task. If necessary, you can also get in touch with ClickUp support for further assistance. Be sure to provide as much detail as possible to help them locate the task, including its name, the last known location, and the last time you accessed it. And that's it. By following these steps, you should be able to recover any missing tasks in ClickUp. If you don't already have a ClickUp account, you can use the link in the description to sign up and start organizing your work today. If you found this video helpful, please like and subscribe.